Chapter 16. The tenses, the present tense. The tense of a verb shows the time when an action or event takes place and whether the action is completed or not. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Each of these has four forms: tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, continuous. Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, continuous. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, continuous. Present tense. The present tense shows actions that are happening now. They are further classified into four main categories: present indefinite or simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Present indefinite or simple present tense. The present indefinite or simple present tense is used to show a habitual action. She walks in the morning daily, to express general truth. It is hot in summer, to show a future event which is already arranged. The trade fair begins tomorrow. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for an action in progress at the time of speaking or around the time of speaking. The sun is rising in the sky, to show an action which is going to happen just after speaking. I am going to the market, to describe an action that is going to happen in the future. We are going on a holiday on Sunday. The present continuous tense is formed by using am, is, or are with a verb formed by adding ing to its root form. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action just completed. He has just eaten his meal. It is also used to describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing. They have lived here for 5 years, to describe an action that happened in the past but it has its effect in the present. She has dressed herself like a queen. It is formed by using has or have and a past participle. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began in the past and is still continuing. I have been studying in this school for the last 5 years. To describe an unfinished action. They have been reading since 5 o'clock in the morning. The present perfect continuous tense is formed by using has been or have been plus present participle. Always remember, present perfect continuous tense is a combination of two tenses: the continuous tense where the action continues and the perfect tense where it stops. Let's recapitulate. The tense in a sentence shows the time of an action being performed. It tells if it is already done, past, being done, present, or is likely to be completed after a while, future. Each of these tenses is further categorized as follows: tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous. Past tense, indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous. Future tense, indefinite, continuous, perfect, continuous. The present tense, present indefinite or simple present, is used to show a habitual action. I get up early in the morning. Express a general truth. 2 and 3 make 5. Express a future event which is already arranged. The plane flies in an hour. Present continuous or imperfect is used to show an action in progress at the time of speaking. I am writing now. Show an action going to happen just after speaking. I am going to the market in an hour. Express an action going to happen in the near future. We are going to Manali this weekend. Note: to form a sentence in present continuous tense, use is, am, are plus verb plus ing. Present perfect is used to describe an action which is just completed. They have just arrived. Describe an action that started in the past and is still not over. I have lived in Mumbai for 6 years. Describe an action that happened in the past but has its effect in the present. She has prepared herself like a fairy. Note: to form a sentence in present perfect, use has or have plus verb past participle. Present perfect continuous is used to describe an action which began in the past but is still continuing. They have been waiting for the train for the last 5 hours. Describe an unfinished action. We have been reading since morning. Note: to form a sentence in present perfect tense, use has or have plus been plus verb plus ing.